Welcome everyone. Today we dive into how to make the most of Double Up Food Bucks. This great program helps you stretch your food budget while enjoying fresh fruits and vegetables. Whether you're new or want to get more information from the program, we've got you covered. Double Up Food Bucks lets SNAP Supplemental Nutrition Assistant Program recipients double the value of their benefits when buying fresh fruits and veggies at participating locations. For every dollar spent on fresh produce, you get an extra dollar in Double Up Food Bucks, up to $15 a day or $60 a month with your Community Supported Agriculture, or CSA. Signing up is easy using your SNAP EBT card and zip code at any participating site. Visit the information booth at a farmer's market or check out with your SNAP EBT card at participating grocery stores, farm stands, or CSAs to get your Double Up Food Bucks card. Here are a few shopping tips. Number 1, know the participating locations. Find out where you can use Double Up Food Bucks by visiting doubleupiowa.org. This helps you plan your shopping trips. Number 2, understand your spending. Remember, there is a $15 daily limit for matching funds. Check your balance before you shop to make the most of your bucks. Number 3, expiring bucks. Double Up Food Bucks expires every 90 days. March 31st, June 30th, September 30th, and December 30th. Use them before these dates. Number 4, plan your meals. Plan meals around seasonal produce and sales to use your Double Up Food Bucks efficiently. Number 5, bulk purchases. If you have storage space, buy in bulk from participating farm stands. You can get up to $250 in bulk orders, saving more and using your Double Up Food Bucks. Number 6, stay informed. Follow us on Facebook at Iowa Healthiest State or sign up for our newsletter at doubleupiowa.org for updates and new locations. Thank you for learning about Double Up Food Bucks Iowa with us. Let's make access to fresh fruits and veggies easier for everyone while supporting our local farmers. Remember, every dollar doubled helps you eat more fruits and vegetables and boost our local economy.